Hi, Caitlin. Oh, mommy's gonna ask you something. You'll answer in Tagalog. Okay?
Opo, nanay.
Okay. What do you want for breakfast?
Gusto ko yung cereal. Opo, nanay.
At saka, ano pa?
At, ka, at, ka, at, gatas. Opo, nanay.
Okay. Count ka nga sa Tagalog.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Do you love Daddy?
Opo, nanay.
Can you say, I love Daddy in Tagalog? Or, I love Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
How do you say I love? How do you say I love nanay?
Sabihin mo sa Tagalog.
I don't know how to say I love Nasilagot.
Mahal kita.
Mahal ka, nanay.
You say, I love you, Daddy.
Mahal ka, tatay.
About ate.
Mahal ka, ate.
Good job. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.